How to be better than 99% of people. Practical tips. If you want to be better than 99% of people, you need to do what 99% don't. How many people do you know who are truly committed to bettering themselves? Most are content with mediocrity, but you are different. You seek something more. You want to be the best version of yourself, and that's possible. Being better than 99% of people is not that difficult. It doesn't require superpowers or magic formulas. The difference is your decision to act and build the future you desire. Have you ever stopped to think about the power that your emotions have over you? They dictate your reactions and influence your decisions. Those who go furthest are not necessarily the most intelligent or talented. They are the ones who have learned to master themselves. In a moment of frustration, you have two choices: surrender to anger or take a deep breath. Do you want to be a drifting boat or the captain of your ship? If you are committed to becoming your best version, understand that the environment has a tremendous power over you. If the air is clean, you will feel energized, inspired. But if the air is toxic, you will feel suffocated, unmotivated. Surround yourself with people who push you upwards and transform your space into a sanctuary of peace and inspiration. Remember, you are the architect of your own life. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by an emotion? Anger blinding you, fear paralyzing you. Emotions are part of our human nature, but we can't let them take control. Imagine making a decision out of anger or anxiety. The balance between emotion and reason is fundamental. For a long time, it was believed that the human brain was immutable, that we were born with a certain number of neurons and that over time they would inevitably deteriorate. Fortunately, science has discovered that this is not true. Our brain is plastic, malleable, capable of transforming itself throughout life. New neural connections are created, shaping our own brains. Remember, you are the sculptor of your own mind. Tell me who you walk with, and I'll tell you who you are. The people you associate with influence you. Surrounded by negative people, you absorb toxic energy. With positive people, you're inspired and improve. They support you and celebrate your achievements. In a fast-paced world, we neglect the importance of sleep. Sleeping is an investment in physical, mental, and emotional health. During sleep, we recover energy and consolidate memories. Get ready for the day's challenges. Have you ever felt that feeling of well-being, of lightness, of renewed energy after doing some physical exercise? Well, this feeling is not just an impression. It's your brain chemistry working in your favor. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, neurotransmitters that act as natural painkillers, reducing the feeling of pain and providing pleasure and well-being. Studies prove that physical activities improve cognitive ability, increase focus and concentration, combat anxiety and depression. In a society that values material success, we often forget what really matters: human connections. Studies show that people who cultivate healthy and meaningful relationships tend to be happier, healthier, and live longer. It is as if human connection is an antidote to the ills of modern life. In a world that bombards us with messages that we are never good enough, it's easy to fall into the trap of chronic dissatisfaction. We spend our lives chasing goals and dreams without stopping to appreciate what we have already achieved. Gratitude is the antidote to the rat race of modern life. Acknowledge and appreciate the good things in life, from a sunny day to the health of our loved ones. Shift the focus from what is missing to what we have and transform your reality. Congratulations on making it this far. You have had access to powerful tools to transform your life. The journey will not be easy. There will be obstacles and challenges, but you are stronger and more resilient than you think. Build a solid foundation of mental, physical, and emotional health. The journey begins now, and I will be here to guide you.